Today, you will learn how to save a Gmail email as PDF. Open your favorite web browser and go to Gmail. Sign in to your Gmail account if you haven't already. Now open the email that you want to save as a PDF. Once the email is open, click the three-dot More menu in the top right corner of the message and then select Print. Gmail will open the Print window. Here, find the Destination option and select Save as PDF. You can also adjust options such as the layout, paper size, and margins if needed. When everything looks good, click Save. A file saving window will appear. Choose where you want to save the PDF, enter a name for your file, and click Save again. That's it! Your Gmail email is now saved as a PDF file on your computer. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe.